Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can reset encryption password on our Vivo device. So for that you need to open up your phone settings, and after opening up your phone settings just scroll down and go to this option of fingerprints, face and password. Since I'm on MI phone, so I will just go on password and security. And in this option you will be able to find this option of screen lock. All you have to do is just open up your screen lock and turn it off. And after removing screen lock, just click on privacy. And here, if you have the password on privacy and you're not able to open it up, then you have to go back to your settings. And in your settings just scroll down, and then you will be able to find this option of settings management. And under settings and management you will be able to find this option of backup and restore. And after clicking on backup and reset, you will be able to find this option of erase all data, but make sure that you have unchecked or unticked the option of format phone storage, because if it is unable, then your all data will be deleted. So if you uncheck it, then only your app related data, which is of Facebook, Instagram, will be deleted. So make sure you have backup beforehand before going forward with this process. So after doing that, you need to restart your phone, and your phone get restarted after a while if you erase all of your data. And after your phone restarts, just come back to your settings and reset your privacy options password by clicking on it and then going back and then disabling it. And after that you will be able to see a password appearing. Just reset your password and it will be good to go. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.